Oh, hello everyone. Okay, hello everyone. This clip we are talking about the units and this clip I just show you some introduction of a unit often used in physics. Okay. The first of all, there are two major unit system right now. One is called SI. I think most people are familiar with the SI unit system, and the other is called American Engineering System. And right now, it's mostly used on, I think, only mostly used in United States. For other place, I believe most of other place use the SI system. Okay, and this physics course in this physics course we all use the SI unit system, and so in this course we didn't use the AE system, or we don't use this system. Sorry, let me adjust my pen. So here, so it has to change every time. So inconvenient. Okay, so in this course, we don't use the AE system. We use the SI system. Okay, so in SI system, in physics, we like to express the physical quantity by so-called MKS system. Okay, what's the MKS system? It means we use the kilogram, meter, and second to express our physical quantity. And meter, we often use abbreviation called M. And second, I think most book use S, but I prefer use SEC because you use S sometimes during the calculation you will mess up with other things. So I often use the second. And I can understand it's a second. It's really a second. Okay. So let me give you some examples. So how to express some important physical quantity by MKS system? Okay, the first of all is R. We call it it's so thick thin. Okay, the first one is a force. Okay. Let me write down all the unit we are going to show. Okay, force, pressure, energy, energy and power, and the frequency, Quency. Okay, force we know. I think you both know because you all. I think you all took in high school. You all took physics. Force, the unit of force is called Newton, and abbreviation is N. Okay, and Newton. And for pressure, it's called Pascal. And in physics, the energy unit we love to use is called joule. Okay, joule. Okay, joule. 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 And the power is and it's watt. Watt. And frequency in physics, frequency, we like to use the unit called hertz, Hz, hertz, hertz. I hope my pronunciation is right. Okay, and so for Newton, let's see the Newton, and it's how to express the Newton by MKS system is the force. So it's kilogram times meter and divided by second square. Okay. And for pressure is the force per unit area. So the force per unit area. Okay. So the force we understand the force is kilogram times m divided second square. This is force. And the pressure is the force per unit area, so we divide by the area. Area is length square. And length, we like to use the meter, so it's divided by m square. So it will become kilogram and divided by meter and times second square. I think I make it right. Okay, it's right. Okay. So let's take the energy, how to express the energy in MKS system, MKS unit system, and joule energy. We all know that work is the energy. Work is force times displacement. Yeah, displacement or distance. Okay, let me simple distance. Okay, so it's force of what is force? Force is Newton, so it's kilogram times m divided by second square. Okay, and then it's times distance. Time distance, we use meter to express the distance times distance. So it will become kilogram times m squared divided by second square. Okay, and the next one is power. Power is energy per unit of time. Power is energy per unit of time. Let's just express the delta T, energy divided by time interval. Okay, so the energy is k kilogram times m squared divided by second square, and then we divide it by time interval. And time interval we use second to express time interval. So it will become kilogram times m squared and second to the power 3 second cubic. Okay. So this important quantity, force, pressure, energy, power, if we use MKS system is like this. Okay. And I think if you in future you want to do some calculation in physics and try to memorize this because it will helps you to do the unit conversion. Okay, I mean it. Okay, this is useful. Okay, the final one is the frequency. Frequency we use 1/second. It's very simple. 1/second. Okay, so let's basically introduce the MKS system. I hope hope I hope you can memorize them or take notes of this expression. It's very important. You need after all you will find in most of the calculation unit conversion is sometimes if you don't memorize this it will sometimes give you it's very painful for your calculation. Okay, if you don't memorize that. Okay, so we just make the video short. Okay, so and the next the next video I'm going to show you the prefix of the unit. Okay, so that's the video. Okay, so see you next video. Bye bye. Okay. Bye.